Use the key to remove the battery. Press and hold the powered on button for 15 seconds to discharge the residual electrical energy. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 4 screws that fix the seat post clamp. Remove the seat post clamp cover. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 4 screws that fix the bottom cover plate. Disconnect the terminals of the power cord and the yellow cable sheath. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the 6 screws that fix the connector base. Pull the wire harness out from inside the bike frame. Thread the wire harness into the bike frame. Pull out from the bottom of the bike frame. Plug in the power cord terminal. Align the raised part with the notch and plug in the other terminals. Arrange the wiring harness neatly. Install the bottom plate with the label facing outwards. Tighten the 4 screws that secure the bottom plate. Tighten the 6 screws that fix the connector base. Tighten the 4 screws that fix the seat post clamp cover. Install the battery.